For clear varnish, are you using Tamiya globes with black thinner or something else?
You mean like a varnish?
Yes.
No, it is Mr. Color Super Clear Free, basically. I know a lot of modelers, even from modeling club. They are spent many hours of making the whole thing, making new barrels and making the whole interior from scratch. And when only spray the whole model with one paint, and they are done. Apply some decals. Okay, I got it for free, but but I think it's quite interesting airbrush. I started using it only a few weeks ago, but I'm quite satisfied. The nozzle is not automatic central, so it is a screw, but so far I'm more happier with this solution.
Are you making the voiceover after you actually film?
Yeah, voiceover after, because I just like sometimes I have a problem to say some sentence like 5 or 6 times and just like saying again, and it's horrible. Especially if you are making like super detailed models and you have like 100, 200 hours of video footage.
How much?
200 hours. Even more.
That's crazy.
I think for Yamato has many hours. So I usually my schedule how I make videos is I have many hours of footage, but I don't making the whole build at once. So I'm making only one section, stop camera, and make another section, start cameras, and it. But even so, I have like 6 folders of video footage. And it's like it's like I'm not sure. It's like every folder has like 60 gigabytes. So and it was like 200 video footage. So when you are making video and you want to create like 40 minutes, it's just like one editing and cutting. You have 2 hours.
It probably takes a long time to find the footage you want. It's 200 hours.
It's not so horrible, but make short videos from this amount of footage. And when the video make some voiceover and subtitles and editing and choose the music, oh my god. Because I want the perfect music in the videos and always choosing sometimes only one day choosing the correct music. Thank you for watching and see you next time.